iri kutiudza kuti q and is equal to the cos of theta minus 360 degrees, then sine of 90 degrees plus theta, sine of minus theta. This is dividing the sine of theta plus 180 degrees, like that. Let's simplify q to a single trigonometric ratio, so it have to be single. Tichaita sei? Tikatarisa apo, especially zvinhu zviri mukati memabrackets, tinoona kuti mukati mebracket rekutanga tina theta minus 360 degrees. Mukati rebracket rechipiri tina 90 degrees plus theta. Ino tinobva tatoziva kuti tinoiwana kupi? Kusecond quadrant. Then yakanzi sine of minus theta, toziva kuti tichaapply ma-negative identities atakadzidza. And yakanzi theta plus 180 degrees, knowing kuti theta plus 180 degrees zvakafanana nekuti 180 degrees plus theta. That is the same reason why tichaita sei? We are going to apply what we find where in the third quadrant. You see? Saka, this is very important. So before we go anywhere, we have a problem here. Because hatina theta minus 360 degrees. Muma brackets now inside the 4 quadrants we have. Saka, we have to manipulate that in such a way yekuti zvinomecha nezvatinazvo in our quadrants, kana kuti in our quadrant diagram. Saka tinozviita sei? Tinouya kunobva tati consider cos of theta minus 360 degrees. We have to consider that. So when we are considering the cos of theta minus 360 degrees, how do we go about it? Tinoda iso. Tinonyora takati the cos of, then we rearrange yova minus 360 degrees plus theta, like this. Saka tangu rearrange hazvo mukati mema brackets, tichitanga na negative 360 degrees plus theta. Then tadaro, let us factor out this negative. Kora kuti ndingayada iso. The cos of, factor out a negative. Mukati me bracket munosara muinani? Mosara muna 360 degrees minus theta, like this. Mazvona? Zvinosara zviri mukati mema brackets. Because ta factor out a negative, tikati minus times 360 degrees, dio minus 360 degrees. Tikati minus times minus theta, dio plus theta. So you see how it goes. Then panapa tobva taendera mberi tichiti, when we know that the cos of a negative theta is equal to cos theta. Tinozviziva from negative identities. Therefore, zvoreva kuti the cos of minus 360 degrees minus theta inenge yakangofanana nekuti cos of 360 degrees minus theta. And let me explain what has happened here. Tinoziva, I have reason to believe kuti kubva panapa kusvikira apa tiri tese, because tangoshandisa basic algebra. Patazoita invoke this negative identity, the cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is a statement from a negative identities. Tai apply say, iri kutiudza kuti the cos of negative theta, saka theta yedu iri kurepresent an angle, in this case 360 degrees minus theta. So minus any angle, kana iri cos of minus any angle iri equal to cos of that angle. Saka cos of minus angle ino ish iri mukati mema brackets inenge iri equal to cos of bracket racho iroro. Ndozviri kutaurwa panapa kuti the cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that is how we applied it. I really hope I explain myself panapa. Kama musina kunzwisisa, don't again hesitate to ask. Saka because of what we have done, we can now rewrite panapa takuti theta is equal to, kwete kuti theta, q is equal to, then pakanzi cos of theta minus 360 degrees. Theta kunyora takati chi? This is the cos of 360 degrees minus theta. Yatawana through this manipulation. Then panapa sine of 90 degrees plus theta. Then up with sine of minus theta, like that. And this is over what? This is over the sine of panapa takuti sine of togona edu kinyora takati 180 degrees plus theta rutendero, because kuti theta plus 180 degrees zvakangofanana nekuti 180 degrees plus theta. And then tava pano takuchizvibvunza mubvunzo wekuti cos 360 degrees minus theta kana kuti bracket rina 360 degrees minus theta tinoriwanepi? Tinoriwana in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, cos of 360 degrees minus theta inenge iri equal to cos theta, because cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. If you want to verify what I'm saying, we can come here. In the fourth quadrant, do muna cos of 360 degrees minus theta, and then get equal to cos theta, because cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. Saka ndomazivira mufunga kuzviita nemusoro kuti chakati chiri pakati uye chinodanwa zvakadini. Saka instead of kunyora kuti cos of 360 degrees minus theta, titangonyora panapa kuti cos theta, then sine of 90 degrees plus theta. Kana iri 90 degrees plus theta, zviri mu-second quadrant. And kana zviri mu-second quadrant, what we also know is ndopatinotaura pamusoro pema-cofunctions. And the sine of 90 degrees plus theta inenge iri equal to minus cos theta. Minus cos theta, like this. And this can also be verified. Panapa, second quadrant, the sine of 90 degrees plus theta is equal to cos theta. Saka is minus cos theta, it made a mistake. Inova minus, inifungo iri, cos of 90 degrees plus theta, ndo inge equal to minus sine theta. So please, I hope I've made this mistake on behalf of you. Kuti musazoita the same mistake. That is why I don't know how, but you have to internalize this graph musoro. If it means kukrema, for the meantime, makamirira kuzorigona kuti rive part of you, kuti internalize. Ngatitokremai maquadrants aya. Kutodzidzira kuzvinyora izvi pabepa musina kutarisa. Muchazozvidzidza with application, but for now, let us learn it like that. But musaita my mistakes as I have just did. Saka inoishi cos of theta inenge iri equal to chi? Sine of 90 degrees plus theta inenge equal to cos theta, and the sine of minus theta we know kuti inenge equal to minus sine theta. Takazvita pama negative identities. You can go and check that particular lesson, and we know kuti this is going to be over the sine of 180 degrees plus theta. Tunayowana, of course, in the second quadrant. It's not the second quadrant, it's the third quadrant. And in third quadrant, the sine of 180 degrees plus theta inenge equated to a negative trig function. Let us confirm. So yes, it is in the third quadrant, and the sine of 180 degrees plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Saka sine of 180 degrees plus theta, it's minus sine theta, like this. And as we can already know, minus sine theta yakutochekana, tosaratina cos theta times cos theta, which is equal to cos squared theta. saka this is going to be our final answer. So ndo mawekero atinoita ino ishi.